Tagalog phrases using Iyan at Iyon. Ano iyan? What is that? Puno ng mangga iyan. That is a mango tree. Nakita ko na yan dati. I've seen that before. Kaninong aso yan? Whose dog is that? Pwede mong gawin yan. You're allowed to do that. Ideya ko yan. That's my idea. Walang kabuluhan yan. That doesn't make sense. Hindi na yan kailangan. That won't be necessary. Ayaw kong gawin yan. I don't want to do that. Imposibleng mangyari yan. That's impossible to happen. Hindi maganda yan. That's not good. Hindi ko sinabi yan. I did not say that. Para saan ba yan? What is that for? Nakakain ba yan? Is that edible? Kakainin mo ba yan? Are you going to eat that? Iyan ba ang bahay niya? Is that her house? Yun ba ang gusto mo? Is that what you want? Yun lang ba? Is that all? Kotse mo ba yun? Is that your car? Anong ingay yun? What was that noise? Alam ko na yun. I already know that. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yon. I really like that. Bakit mo ginawa yon? Why did you do that? Kalimutan mo na iyon. Forget about it. Hindi ko ginawa yon. I did not do it. Hayaan mo na, wala yon. Never mind, it's nothing. Saan yun nangyari? Where did it happen? Akala ko totoo yun. I thought it was true. Paano mo ginawa yun? How did you do it? Panaginip lang yun. It's just a dream. Yan na ba yun? Is that it?